Good morning, students. Dear student, we are doing doubly reinforced beam. So doubly reinforced beam means the beam with reinforcement on tension side and compression side is doubly reinforced beam. So AST is the area of the tensile steel on the in the tension zone, and ASC is the area of the compression reinforcement in the compression zone. So this doubly reinforced beam section have to register the moment mu. Mu is the total moment or bending moment. So this doubly reinforced section for the calculation purpose is considered to consist of two sections, section 1 and section 2. So section 1 is the singly reinforced beam section with the tensile steel AST1 with the tensile steel AST1, which reaches its limiting value of moment of resistance, and this is the section 2. So this section 2 registers the balance moment mu2. So mu2 is equal to mu minus mu1. So it means mu is the total moment which the doubly reinforced beam have to register. So it consists of moment mu1 and mu2. So the stress diagram for this beam section is this is the stress diagram for the doubly reinforced beam section. So this stress diagram, it consists of the two stress diagram. So this is the stress diagram corresponds to the section 1, and this is the stress diagram corresponds to the section 2. So C is the total compressive force. So total compressive force C is equal to C1 plus C2, and total tensile force T is equal to T1 plus T2. So where C1 is the compressive force provided by the concrete, so this is equal to 0.36 FCK BXU, and C2 is the compressive force provided by steel in compression zone. So this is equal to FSC minus FCC into ASC. So where FSC is the compressive stress in concrete, FSC is the stress in steel in compression, and FCC is the compressive stress in concrete at the level of compression steel. So then total tensile force. So total tensile force T is equal to T1 plus T2. So T1 is the tensile force provided by the tensile reinforcement AST1, and T2 is the tensile force contributed by the tensile steel AST2. Then ultimate moment of resistance of the doubly reinforced beam section. Mu is the ultimate moment of resistance of the doubly reinforced beam section. So the ultimate moment of resistance mu of the doubly reinforced beam section is obtained by taking moments of C1 and C2 about the centroid of tensile steel. So mu is equal to mu1 plus mu2, where mu1 is the moment of resistance of the section 1, and mu2 is the moment of resistance of the section 2. So mu1 is equal to, this is equal to moment of resistance of the singly reinforced beam section. So this is C1 into lever arm. So C1 is equal to 0.36 FCK B into XU. So lever arm Z is equal to D minus 0.42 XU. So mu2 is equal to taking moment about T, so C2 into lever arm. So C2 is FSC minus FCC into ASC into lever arm is D minus D dash. So if the loss of the concrete area occupied by the compression steel is neglected, so if loss of concrete area occupied by compression steel is neglected, then the factor FCC into ASC is equal to 0. So then Mu2 is equal to FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. So then moment of resistance of the doubly reinforced section Mu equal to Mu1 plus Mu2. So ultimate moment of resistance, this is equal to Mu1 is 0.36 FCK B into XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus FSC Mu2 is FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. So this is the ultimate moment of resistance of the doubly reinforced beam section. So then area of the tensile steel and compression steel. Area of tensile steel and compression steel. So area of the tensile steel AST is equal to AST1 plus AST2. So AST1 is the area of the tensile steel corresponding to a singly reinforced balanced section, and AS2 is the area of the additional tensile steel. So AST1 is equal to Mu1 upon 0.87 F by D minus 0.42 XU max. So Mu1 is, this is equal to limiting moment of resistance. So AST1 is Mu limiting moment of resistance upon 0.87 F by into D minus 0.42 XU max. So then AST2. So AST2 is area of the additional tensile steel. So this is equal to Mu2 upon 0.87 F by into D minus D dash. So Mu2 is equal to total moment minus moment of resistance of the singly reinforced section. So then ASC is the area of the compression steel. ASC is area of the compression steel. So this is equal to Mu2 upon FSC into D minus D dash. Thank you.